Source: Naturally Splendid Enterprises Limited. Photo release US. Snack bar market share by product type. 2017 chart. United States snack bar market growth trends and forecasts 2018 to 2023. Increasing demand from the sports sector. Naturally Splendid Enterprises Limited. Vancouver, British Columbia, June 11, 2018. Globe NEWSWIRE. Naturally Splendid Enterprises Limited. Naturally Splendid, NSE, or the company, Frankfurt, 50N, TSX-V, NSPOTC, NSPDF, is pleased to announce that it has signed an agreement with a leading national food company for a bar, snack manufacturing contract worth up to $5 million CDN over a 5-year period through its wholly owned subsidiary, ProSnack Natural Foods Inc. ProSnack. NSE recently acquired a new state-of-the-art bar, snack manufacturing machine which has increased the company's production capacity twofold, while improving on the quality of its bars and snacks. Second shift will also be added to the production schedule to accommodate increases in production needs. The new bar, snack equipment is highly specialized and opens the door to NSE to obtain new clients that it would not have the opportunity to secure previously. As well as increased manufacturing capacity, NSE will also be able to greatly extend its product formulation capabilities for house brands. The equipment's capabilities are very versatile, having the ability to produce a variety of different products for the food manufacturing industry, including various sized spheres and bars that can be coated with any number of flavors and ingredients. Naturally Splendid CEO Douglas Mason states, securing this new manufacturing contract will provide NSE with needed revenue and access to new markets. Increasing our production capacity and product innovation capabilities was an important objective. This now gives NSE the flexibility to approach new customers and significantly add to our service offerings. We see private labeling and co-manufacturing as enormous opportunities for added revenue. We are currently in advanced discussions with other companies seeking similar manufacturing requirements. Naturally Splendid Executive VP Sales. After successfully completing the transition of ProSnack to the NSE facility in April 2018, one of our focuses was to increase production capacity to be able to meet the demand for larger clients' requirements. Acquiring this new machinery has supported us in this objective. The production interruption ProSnack experienced with the transition to the NSE facility near the end of Q4 2017 and in Q1 2018 is now behind us, and we are actively seeking more commitments from previous and new clients. A report published by MarketResearch.biz on May 30, 2018, concludes, the global snack bar market is expected to grow significantly in the coming years. The major factors contributing to the growth of the market include increasing demand of high-protein snack bars, consumers' daily snacking habits and demands for protein and fiber ingredients that they look for in snack bars. In addition, there is a rising demand for vegan snack bars as consumers who lead a vegan lifestyle opt for healthy substitutes for meat, dairy and other conventional sources of protein. The market in North America is expected to dominate the global snack bars market owing to living standards coupled with high disposable income. The market in Asia-Pacific is expected to register a highest CAGR in the forthcoming years. Snack bars are considered trending options for consumers who prefer on-the-go breakfast and portable and convenient snacking options. Increasing demand from the sports sector, published by Mordor Intelligence on December 2017. Brands are becoming more specific regarding the type of athletic support they provide, by targeting defined segments of the overall sports experience, from preparation to recovery. Energy and endurance bars maintain blood glucose levels during exercise, and contain a high concentration of carbohydrates, with typically moderate amounts of protein and fat. Balanced bars have very evenly balanced nutritional profiles which contain similar proportions of carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Protein bars in the United States are targeted at bodybuilders, to help them achieve their muscle mass and strength goals. Consumers of sports nutrition products have been bodybuilders and athletes. This trend is changing, as weekend sports enthusiasts and lifestyle users are creating new market opportunities for snack bar manufacturers. A photo accompanying this announcement is available at http://www.globnewswire.com/newsroom/attachment/3A7279B8-C27F-42C5-B4705074F8. Private placement. Naturally Splendid is also pleased to announce the terms of a private placement for up to $1.26 million, comprising of up to 7 million units, each unit at a price of 18 cents per unit. The offering, each unit offered will be comprised of 1 common share of Naturally Splendid and 1/2 of 1 common share purchase warrant, with each warrant entitling the holder to purchase 1 additional common share at 27 cents per share for a period of 2 years from the date of the issue. Naturally Splendid will have the right to accelerate the expiry date of the warrants if, at any time, the average closing price of Naturally Splendid's common shares is equal to or greater than 35 cents for 10 consecutive trading days. In the event of acceleration, the expiry date will be accelerated to a date that is 30 days after Naturally Splendid issues a news release announcing that it has elected to exercise this acceleration right. There is no minimum amount to the offering. The offering will be completed to accredited investors, pursuant to National Instrument 45-106 prospectus and registration exemptions, NE 45-106, to existing security holders pursuant to BC Instrument 45-534 exemption from prospectus requirement from certain trades to existing security holders BCI 45-534, and to certain subscribers pursuant to BC Instrument 45-536 exemptions from prospectus requirement for certain distributions through an investment dealer. The offering of securities pursuant to BCI 45-534 is being made to existing security holders who held shares of Naturally Splendid on June 7, 2018, the record date. Naturally Splendid confirms that there is no material fact or material change regarding Naturally Splendid that has not been generally disclosed. In the event that Naturally Splendid receives subscriptions above the maximum, Naturally Splendid will adjust the subscriptions received on a pro-rata basis. Proceeds of the offering will be used for expansion of Naturally Splendid's existing facilities and working capital purposes. Naturally Splendid may pay finders a finder's fee in cash and/or share purchase warrants. Closing of the private placement is subject to TSX Venture Exchange approval. The securities described herein have not been, and will not be, registered under the United States Securities Act of 1933, as amended, the U.S. Securities Act, or any state securities laws, and accordingly, may not be offered or sold within the United States except in compliance with the registration requirements of the U.S. Securities Act, and applicable state securities requirements are pursuant to exemptions therefrom. This news release does not constitute an offer to sell or a solicitation of an offer to buy any of Naturally Splendid's securities in the United States. About Naturally Splendid Enterprises Limited. Naturally Splendid is a biotechnology and consumer products company that is developing, and we are producing, commercializing, and licensing an entirely new generation of plant-derived bioactive ingredients, nutrient-dense foods, and related products. Naturally Splendid is building an expanding portfolio of patents, issued and pending, and proprietary intellectual property focused on the commercial uses of industrial hemp and non-psychoactive cannabinoid compounds in a broad spectrum of applications. Naturally Splendid currently has 4 innovative divisions. 1. Biotechnology, focused on 3 major platforms: proprietary hemp omega encapsulation, extraction and formulation with cannabidiol, CBD, hemp and plant-based proteins. 2. Consumer products, Natera brand of retail hemp and superfood products distributed throughout North America, Asia and Europe. ProSnack Natural Foods Inc. Elevate Me, lifestyle brand of healthy meal replacement products distributed throughout North America. Kai Hemp Industries Incorporated, CHII, e-commerce platform for natural and organic hemp products. Positive FX topical pet care products. NATERA CBD, retail hemp-based cannabinoid nutraceutical and cosmeceutical products distributed in Asia. Natera Skincare, brand of retail hemp-based cosmeceutical products. 3. Natera Ingredients, bulk ingredients including hemp omega. ACI Foods is a science-based, industrial hemp seed processing business located in Abbotsford, BC. Listed as the only strictly organic hemp seed processor in North America. 4. Co-packaging, toll processing and manufacturing, packaging for house brands, Natera, CHII and Elevate Me, and third-party partners. For more information, email info@naturalistsplendid.com or call Investor Relations at 604-673-9573. On behalf of the Board of Directors, Mr. Douglas Mason, CEO, Director. Contact information: Naturally Splendid Enterprises Limited, NSP, TSX Venture, NSPDF, OTCQB, 50 and Frankfurt. These statements reflect management's current estimates, beliefs, intentions and expectations. They are not guarantees of future performance. Naturally Splendid cautions that all forward-looking statements are inherently uncertain and that actual performance may be affected by a number of material factors, many of which are beyond Naturally Splendid's control, including Naturally Splendid's ability to compete with large food and beverage companies, sales of any potential products developed will be profitable, sales of shelled hemp seed will continue at existing rates or increase, customers will complete on sales contracts, and the risk that any of the potential applications may not receive all required regulatory or legal approval. Accordingly, actual and future events, conditions and results may differ materially from the estimates, beliefs, intentions and expectations expressed or implied in the forward-looking information. Except as required under applicable securities legislation, Naturally Splendid undertakes no obligation to publicly update or revise forward-looking information. Neither TSX Venture Exchange nor its regulation services provider, as that term is defined in the policies of the TSX Venture Exchange, accepts responsibility for the adequacy or accuracy of this release.